Morning, Matthew. Morning, Ben. Watch the economy burn. Watch Bitcoin burn, man. Bitcoin is, I don't want to say finally, but it's under 30K. We've been waiting for this. I think I'm gonna buy. I just don't know when. I don't have a good feeling. I'm just looking at the technicals. I know there's gonna be a bounce. I just don't know when and how low, how much lower we can go. I think the number behind everybody's minds right now is just 25K. Morning, Jacob. Let me set this up really quick. Open Twitter. Let's see what's trending on Twitter, even though I kind of have an idea of where what's trending. Probably Diamond Hands or HODL. Let's see. H3H3. Isn't that some YouTuber? There's no Bitcoin on here. Saylor is trending. Michael Saylor. Yeah, this guy bought a lot of Bitcoin, man. Is he gonna hold? He's probably gonna buy even more. Crypto Crash is trending. Even the Doge, our poor Dogecoin, even though we don't have any, it's taking a beating. I want to buy. I just don't know what. Look at Bitcoin. It's not looking too juicy, man. If it comes down to retest 29.2, it's gonna flush. So when did this happen? I know we had a 38, almost a 40K bounce, but it did not hold. So we're finally seeing, I think it's that move, That move. Not on the way up, but we're coming down. I don't know how lower we can go. It's a discount. That's the way I'm seeing it. I just don't want to be buying and then it just continues to dip. Unless I just average on the way down. GameStop, by the way, guys, they finally sold their 5 million shares. So we were waiting for that for about 2 weeks. We were a little 2 weeks late on our prediction. It happened though. 54 pre-market for AMC. Will AMC rebound? That is literally the question I just asked myself today, and I think it has to rebound today. I mean, just pull this to the side really quick. Looking at the daily on AMC, if we go back to like 60 today, that puts us back at right around the 65 resistance, which gives us a good shot of breaking 65 this week. Again, I don't want to put dates on things, but that's just the way I'm kind of thinking about it right now. Um, Worst case scenario, we crack the EMA on the daily, which is the blue line here, which we've been holding for quite some time now. This hasn't been under the EMA for quite some time now. Worst case, it cracks 50. We go down to like the mid 45, $48 range, and we have another red day. That's the part of the worst case. If we hold above 50, 51, that'd be pretty decent still. But again, if we can get that push to 60, reach for 60 again, I think that'll be great. I think I'll be happy today. That's the way I'm going about or thinking about this. But again, I'm trying to think like if this crypto crash discount, how is it going to affect these stocks that are pretty much up, like these meme stocks? Like look at Torchlight. How is it going to go about these stocks affecting these stocks? Because I think all that euphoria we had with like AMC hitting 70 and whatnot and Bitcoin, it's like a lot of it's probably cooling off right now. It's kind of kicking in, like the reality, like oh crap. Big discount crypto. It's time to load up on your favorite coins. Exactly. The first thing I saw was Bitcoin under 30K. It wiped out the gains, and I'm just like, I'm gonna buy. Oh, long play for 2 years. I'm not talking 2 years. I'm talking the bounce and I'm gone. I'm talking a pretty decent rip and I'm out. I'm taking my profits. That's my plan though. Again, to each their own. If you guys want to hold long term, I think it'll pay off, but I just don't have that patience with Bitcoin on that. Let's see Twitter. What are people saying on there? Michael Saylor about more. Let's see. Let's see Tesla. Square? PayPal? Hmm. See, if you look at Bitcoin on the daily chart, you see this crazy head and shoulders pattern. So if that's the case and it keeps on honoring that pattern, let me see if I can pull it up here. It's gonna see probably 25K. And Michael Burry tweeted that. Look at this. How is this not a disgusting head and shoulders pattern? Am I the only one who sees this? Do you guys see this as well? If that's the case, the right shoulder should be completed like 20, 25, 26K. Maybe luckily like 27. I'll see you later, Keith. Be safe. See, this is what I'm looking at right now too. It's not 25, but 24. Michael Burry has been deleting his tweets, by the way. Let's see if he deleted the head and shoulders one. Michael J. Burry. Oh, 29.6. Oh, wow. Michael Burry deleted his Twitter again. This account doesn't exist. So basically, what happened was that he was active earlier this year and he was terminated. They either told him to delete his account or they took matters into their own hands and they deleted his account. And then he came back like 2 weeks ago and he gave us warnings. He said, this is going to end bad. Bitcoin. He said meme stocks. He said they're all going to end bad. And he kept giving us warnings and whatnot. And now he's gone again on Twitter. He's not there anymore. So it's like he just left. He came back, warned us, and he just left again. That'll be my play there, Dragons. If I can get in and there's just like this flash bounce, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell. The fact that it cracked 30, I think it'll make people uneasy. Man, this really did just happen, what, 5 a.m.? Yeah, this just recently cracked 5 a.m. not that long ago. So I think the blood might just be starting. I don't know. Oh man, let's go. Market opens in 4 minutes. Oh yeah, Michael Burr's probably shorting the crap out of all these stocks. He had a GameStop like at what, $9, $12, and then he wrote a letter to the board of directors of GameStop. He told him he laid out a plan, and I think he sold way before the squeeze. He sold before anything. I'll see you later, Scott. Poor Dogecoin, man. Every time I think of Dogecoin, I think of that one guy who has or who was a millionaire at like 70 cents, right? His name is literally the Dogecoin millionaire, and he never sold. I feel bad, like it just hurts. He never sold his Dogecoin. GameStop 216. I mean, just you're going about what derivatives, Bitcoin futures. We're at 29 point 7 on this on Bitcoin futures. So even just here, look at the head and shoulders. It's so clear to me. It's so like obvious, the head and shoulders. You got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Morning, Robert. How about Ethereum futures? 17. Alrighty, here we go. 2 minutes. Market open. Who's ready for GameStop to go sideways? We don't need that, man. We need a rally. We were literally teetering at 200. I think we did crack 200 yesterday too, like 198. Um, and then they sold the 5 million shares. They raised what? How much capital? I just saw the headline. 1 billion. They raised over another $1 billion, and the stock shot up to 223. It's holding right around 216. AMC is still kind of quiet here at 54. Usually AMC is one of the stocks that makes the most noise pre-market. I mean, look what happened yesterday. We had a nice little gap up, but blood. It was bloody. It was a bloody market day yesterday. Bitcoin so far kind of holding around the 29K level. This can either be the bottom or it could be the first level before another leg down. So It's doing pretty well so far. Is it gonna crack 30K? Look at that spike, baby. People are buying the dip. 29. 1.1 billion. There we go. Thank you. Somebody tweeted, I go out for a bike ride and Bitcoin breaks 30K while I'm gone. Here we go. 50 seconds, baby. Market open. Morning, Jolly. Morning, Saxalot. Madrid, no, morning, Ralph, no, Ethereum. Yeah, guys, I'm licking my lips for Ethereum too. 1790. I don't know if we've hit the bottom. I think this might just be the beginning. Hopefully, I'm wrong and this thing bounces and people are able to make money on this or recover some money. Anybody here have any Bitcoin, Ethereum? And if so, what price? 20 seconds, market open. AMC is kind of at 54. Just cracked under. Again, let's see a nice little rip at market open. 15 seconds. All right, baby, buckle up. It's going to be a crazy day. How about one more Ethereum at 4,200? Is that for the memes? All right, here we go. Market just opened. Let's move this to the left really quick. Let's zoom in on AMC. Usually AMC has this like little dip and then it just starts to rip. Oh my God, I forgot we had Powell today. Oh man, it's gonna be a crazy day. I forgot we had Powell today. AMC new low at 53.11. I'd hate to see it test 50. But then again, I think GameStop's like at the mercy of AMC right now. Don't follow, don't follow. Thursday was 51.62 low, so just keep that in mind. Let's see. Let's see the dip before the rip. Let's go back to Bitcoin really quick. There's the rip. Come on. What are your thoughts of Ethereum in terms of TA, technical analysis? Let's see. Let's pull this up really quick. Yeah, Ethereum definitely has different technicals. Let's pull this up really fast. So there's I don't really kind of see a head and shoulders on this one, just like we do on Bitcoin. Maybe one, but very very choppy, very very odd. I'd say the support level is around 1500 for Ethereum, around 1500. If it can crack 15 and go to like 1200, that's where I'd be very interested in buying. But we got some way to go. I mean, we're at $1,700 on Ethereum right now. Look at this euphoria we had here at 42 for Ethereum. I remember this was like at 2200 and then like next week it was like at 3, 4. It just kept on rallying. I'm just like, I'm not gonna chase these highs, man. There's no way I'll be chasing these highs. So you wait for opportunities like today, these dips. And if you don't feel comfortable just going all in at one price, just buy little by little, average in. GameStop 215. There is the AMC rip. We had the dip at 53.06 before the rip 54.20 places us back at the same pre-market level we had. So we're down 3% at open for AMC and up 8% for GameStop. There's Brown. There's Mr. Brown. Everyone's calling Tom Brady's tweet where he had the laser eyes the beginning of the end. Ever since Tom Brady put the laser eyes on his Twitter, Bitcoin started doing bad. AMC again rejection at EMA. That's a pretty aggressive candle. What is going on with this? I don't need to know the weather. Oh, damn it. 52.92. Let's move this to the right. I mean to the left, and let's get the times and sales. Take a look at the live news. I don't think I've seen this. AMC, down pre-market, whatever. Wall Street bets. Let's take a quick glance at Tesla and Torchlight. Man, this one was at 1170 after hours yesterday, and now it's coming back down. Be careful with stocks like this, guys. Clover, 1245. So everyone's moving and bouncing around from like meme stock to meme stock. I don't understand this. Like yesterday, you have Torchlight, and you had a pretty crappy day on Clover yesterday. Oh, this is oversold. Let's buy this now. Like, I don't understand this. Wendy's. Wendy's is kind of dead. Let's go back to AMC. 52.48. Can I zoom in on the... I'm sorry about that. Like that? Is that better? Oh, it looks like ants. I'm sorry, guys. If there's anything you want me to change on the screen, just let me know. Hopefully you guys don't say change yourself and get somebody else on here. Is that better? Because I think my big ass head blocks it. Wait. Let's move this to the right. I think that should be fine. Because, oh, Bitcoin just cracked. Oh, wait. Yeah, 29.2. Hmm. It immediately shot up to 29.6. Check out Nvidia. Let's see. Let me pull it up on the tab over here. Nvidia. It's up $10 today. It's up 1.42%. Nvidia's a monster. It keeps on rallying. Look at GameStop go. Come on. We need to go back to 230 on GameStop. 230s, baby. Let this be the catalyst. AMC still seeing some selling pressure at 52.80s. Look at that battle at the lows. It's like they're trying to bring it down, or there's some selling pressure and it just starts bouncing up. I mean, it's gonna hit a new low of 52.32, 27.17. Is that gonna affect GameStop? It's slowly dragging it here. New low, 52.15. Bid it up, baby. 52.24. Bitcoin bouncing nicely at 29.7. Already over 1 million on volume on GameStop. That's a miracle. All right, we have some buyers coming in here. Nice little bounce here on AMC at $52.50. There we go. We just need to hold the support level, man. We don't want the same thing as yesterday. So all the stop losses going off. That's why we get these pretty nasty wicks. I mean, just look at this one candle. We went from 54 all the way down to 52.70. That's pretty nuts. Absurd stat of the day. The number of Costco memberships is now higher than the number of US households that pay for cable TV, according to Bloomberg. Who even pays for TV nowadays? GameStop coming back down slightly. Oh no, GameStop, don't start. Don't start. You had such an amazing pre-market, and don't do this to us. Oh yeah, I saw a lot of chatter about Wish stock. Damn it, GameStop and AMC, what's going on? It's literally we're getting wrecked on Bitcoin, and then GameStop's pulling back. It's still green though. Bitcoin still, I mean, GameStop is still green. AMC's down 6.66. Oh, I don't, what an odd number. 6.5%. Bitcoin looks like it wants to just crack 29K. Mm, someone YOLO'd their entire life savings on Wish. Well, hopefully it pays off, man. I wish them the best, right? Bitcoin's not convincing me, guys. Bitcoin is not convincing me. I think we might see 28K. When was the last time we were at 28K? 51.9. 180,000 into Wish. Coinbase is not tanking? Interesting. Coin stock, let's see. What are we at? Above 200 still? We're at 215. It's down 3% today. We have some more buyers coming in here at the lows on AMC at $52. Holding 52 pretty decently. Again, we're not out of the woods on this one yet. I'd be more satisfied and less worried if AMC shot back up to 53 and it started holding there. As of right now, these candles are looking kind of weak. Mm, come on. Come on, GameStop. What's Doja at? 17? What's going on, Phoenix? Saw a new low here. It's like at every low we have, there's a lot of people buying the dip. I like that. 52.27, there we go. We're seeing a nice little bounce. We got to get back to 53. Bitcoin still really indecisive. Really indecisive. This is the 1 minute, right? No, come on. I was wondering why is it not moving? There we go. 29.5. Think Tesla will hit 630 again today. I haven't even taken a look at the. Let's take a look at Nasdaq really quick. For some reason, my Nasdaq futures on my phone it doesn't work, man. They don't show the futures anymore. The futures are literally stuck like a couple days ago, and they don't tick. Does anybody know that? Did anybody notice that? The Thinkorswim mobile app is really screwed up now. But look at the choppiness on futures right now. How's SPY? Barely even down. The Dow. Barely even down after we had a crazy rebound yesterday after getting wrecked for quite some time. But again, oops, I didn't mean to draw that. But again, is this the beginning of the end? Is this the beginning of another drop, another pullback, or are we gonna just go back to hit new highs? Let's take a look at Tesla, 620. Hmm, not too juicy. I'd wait for some. I'm still waiting for like under six by a lot, by far. Another little bounce here on AMC at 52. Kramer froze the futures, probably, man. Kramer actually said he sold his Bitcoin 2 days ago, I believe. It's very interesting. Tesla, you would expect Tesla to be really down today with the whole Bitcoin situation. That's interesting. Hashtag Diamond Hands is trending on Twitter. Once again, AMC kind of struggling at 52. We had this nice little bounce at 52.37. But again, there's some pressure here, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a new low on AMC, even though I don't want to see it. Just based off the candles, it's oh, Bitcoin just saw another leg down, 29.4. Come on, AMC, just hold 52 and rip, baby. Mm, 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 mm. Bitcoin coming down, 29,400.01, 400 flat. Look at that dip. Look at the bounce on that. Oh man. There we go, AMC. Come on, come on. And the pressure is real. Oh yeah, the GameStop finally sold their shares. We've been waiting for that for like what, 2 weeks? So maybe that's where a lot of the selling pressure came in from as well. Knee low. Watch out for 50, 51.50. Usually people set their stop losses there. Dogecoin under 17. Oof. Yeah, they raised 1.1 billion. GameStop with the crazy green candle. I like that. Same thing for AMC. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, Kramer reveals how low Bitcoin would have to go. Ah, but you have to sign up for his membership thing. Oh, never mind. He says 10K. He says Kramer says he would buy in again if Bitcoin hit 10K. Wendy stock futures. Oh man, you guys are funny. Bitcoin again looking for another leg down, 29.4. Looking indecisive, man. I literally have a bad feeling that we're gonna see a new low, maybe 28K in the next coming hours. 29.3, just cracked 29.4, 29.369, 68, 25. Uh-oh. Might not even be the next coming hours, man. The next coming seconds. Holy crap, we just hit a new low. No. Well, man. Should we buy now, guys, or what? I'm gonna wait. I have a bad feeling. Now let's wait for the bounce. Are we gonna bounce here? 29.4. There we go. Let's move this to the left. Wait for the 24K. All right, we just hit a new low, 29.225. Triple twos. They liquidating crypto to pay us our attendees? Hmm. Mr. Pomp is tweeting. One of the biggest crypto bulls on Twitter. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, he just tweeted this by the way. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are the last remaining free markets. There are no circuit breakers, there are no hours of operations, there are no bailouts. Each person is left to participate in the market how they see fit. Every market should be the same. AMC, what the hell are you doing, brother? Just took a quick glance at the tweet and now you're back down. What is going on? Bitcoin 29.1, we're about to crack 28 if we don't freaking bounce. What a day. 51.38. We saw some stop losses going off here. There we go with the Bitcoin bounce, 29.2. How aggressive can we get that bounce? 29.4 maybe? Just to get away from those lows? Or are we just going to see new lows? Are people going to start to panic and be like, oh crap, this is it? Let's see. I put 200 bucks in Bitcoin. Cash is like $40 now. I mean, you just got to hold it now. I wouldn't take the L. Oh my gosh, I have my vaccine today. I have my second vaccination today. Shout out to Moderna, but not sponsored. On my second shot. I heard that one's the stronger one, even though the first one kicked my butt. The first one was pretty bad. And then I start school today too. My summer class, my macroeconomics class. What a weird wick on this candle. You guys see this? Crazy. AMC and Bitcoin are dropping exactly the same. Everything's literally dropping on the screen. Where are the bounces? Dogecoin bouncing? Not at all. Man, 18%. There we go. I hope you live many years. Thanks. That's why I bought more life insurance. I have 3 life insurance policies now. That's why I didn't live stream on Friday, even though I said I was gonna go live on Friday, guys. I bought more. Like, I'll show you guys. There's no cap in my game, baby. I let you down on Friday. I know, man. I was out and about. Yeah, look at this. Uh-oh, I think the stream is lagging. I need to get vaccinated for school, which sucks. Else I wouldn't have got it. It's crazy how they make you take it. No, I'm not gonna sell insurance. I know Kevin does. Kevin does sell life insurance, right? He always says like, this video is sponsored by Kevin. Get your life insurance down below. He's back on YouTube, by the way. Mr. Prompt is tweeting again. Imagine back in November when Bitcoin was around $10,000 if someone had told you Bitcoin has crashed to 30K and everyone is scared. Hmm. Oh, Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff is really like bullish on gold, right? Who here is familiar with Peter Schiff? The ultimate gold bull, in my opinion. He loves gold and he hates with the passion Bitcoin. I love seeing him and Michael Saylor throw shots at each other on Twitter. One's going for gold and one's going for Bitcoin. And he replied to Mr. Pomper and I said, what is the definition of a long-term investor? A short-term trader who got it wrong. Oh, I've never heard that before. So basically what he said is Bitcoin turned people into backholders, I guess. Kevin promoted Robinhood. He probably didn't even. This is probably before all the drama. Yeah, Bitcoin's kind of struggling. Look, 3 candles back to back where we have bearish wicks. I would not be surprised to see 28K in the next coming minutes. Screw the hours. This is happening by the minutes, baby. I hate to see AMC touch 50, man. Bitcoin just needs to rip back to like 29.6 right now. It's dancing on a knife. Ortex just tweeted ATOS, Atosa Therapeutics short squeeze trade signal. They just, I mean, their short squeeze trading signals suck. They were right one time, but the last couple 2 times I believe they alerted, nothing really happened. Yeah, Michael Burry, we're talking about this at Market Open. Michael Burry's Twitter got deleted. He deleted it or he got taken down, but he's gone. So he vanished. He came back a month ago. I'm sorry, 2 weeks ago, and then he warned us saying everything like Bitcoin and the meme stocks are gonna collapse. Bitcoin is about to hit 28K. Holy crap. Oh, we just saw 28K. 28.9. Look at the stop losses. 28.905. Hmm. Wow. Time to buy Doge, Rob. Atos is squeezing too. Clover was even rallying this morning at Market Open. Every other stock, part of BlackBerry, I didn't even take a look. AMC in the first week of June went from 62 to 42. It's all over the place. Yep. It's bouncing now, baby. Let's go to 53. Ortex is useless until we have a full info daily on all books, both dark pools and live markets. Correct, yes. Also, their data is delayed 2 days, T+2. So you're literally trading on 2-day old data. That is not good. Talk about having an edge in the markets. How is that even possible with trading with 2-day old data? It's like, what the hell? Like even with the whole NSCC rules and whatnot, it's just like I see all the hype and oh, margin calls tomorrow. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, tomorrow, and like, I'm tired of getting my hopes up. Like I'm not gonna get my hopes up anymore. Even if they're gonna be playing dirty and going doing shady stuff, and it's just like, what's the point? It's not gonna be enforced or whatnot. It's like until I see it, until I see margin calls and whatnot, then I'll believe it. Then I'll be like, okay. It takes 2 days to scrub all the shenanigans off the data. That's what I'm saying. Like, how do we know Ortix is not lying, or I don't know? Yeah, the right CEO dumped his stock yesterday, I believe. And to buy turkeys? What the hell? I know he CFO and CEO resigned, but what? Turkeys? It's not on here. Uh-oh. Bitcoin 28.8. Put it into a turkey farm. Better than putting it into Ride, man. I agree with Rob. I see Ride going bankrupt. Bitcoin is now negative on the year. Hmm. All right, we're seeing a bounce in AMC and Bitcoin. Ride is under SEC investigation. It's gonna end up like freaking Nikola. You guys remember Nikola? The hype around that stock? Oh my God, you can never forget that. NKLA, Nikola, Mr. Trevor. What's his name? Trevor Milton? Which app do you trade crypto? I'd just go with Coinbase. Coinbase. I had a Voyager account, but it wasn't reliable, man. Every time I try to buy, the app would be down. And then one of my buddies who's bigger on crypto than I am, he told me, or he's more active, I guess I should say. He's more active. He said that Voyager was stealing people's money, that they had money missing on the accounts, and when they would email a Voyager, they would take forever to get back, and they'd say some BS response. Yeah. Nicola, let's roll a truck down the hill. Oh man. There's the Bitcoin rip. There it is. There's the first initial bounce. Looks like people are coming in to buy, baby. So we had a low of 28.8. There's a rip to 29.6. Look at that bounce. AMC as well, holding 52 again. Let's go back to 53 and back to 220s on GameStop. Let's go. I pulled everything out of Coinbase. Do you remember when a girl did a YouTube video where she drove to the Nikola factory? It was just a field. I don't know. I never heard about that. Yeah, GameStop, we were talking about the 210 level of support for like the last 3 days. 210 was being tested. Of course, we did crack 210, but it's nice to see it be able to hold at the same price again. No, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not buying Tesla right now, man. So we had a pretty strong rip on Bitcoin right now, but again, is this the recovery? Is this the rebound, or is this just a little sympathy bounce before another sell-off? It just ripped and like people are now selling again, or institutions, whatever it may be, because we know the whales are controlling it now, according to Coinbase's S1 IPO filing. Literally, like back in 2018, it was like 80% retail and 20% big the whales, and now it's literally the reverse. Retail is nothing in crypto now. Another Bitcoin pullback coming. I know we've been hearing 25, 25, 51.79 for AMC. Needs to hold 52. There you go, GameStop. There we go, baby. Just gotta get a rip up right now. $214. There's the AMC as well, finally showing some strength above 52. Just needs to rip to this level here. 53. Let's see where'd this go. Yeah, Bitcoin went red for the year too. Gave up all the gains. Hashtag hodling. Did anybody buy anything for Amazon? Amazon Prime? Prime Day. Diamond Hands. Oh, this is the guy we're talking about. The Dogecoin millionaire on Dogecoin. I brought him up earlier. He tweeted, "If I can hold, you can hold." He's down 638K on Dogecoin the past month. Oof. This is the guy. He was a legend, man, or he is still. He put like 180K into Dogecoin and he made like 3 mil. Or he didn't, I don't think he made because he never sold. But I think this is his Robinhood. Let's follow this guy. First Dogecoin millionaire. See what people are saying. At this point, I hope you lose it all and not in a rude way. Just basically won the lottery and you had a chance of cashing out several millions and you didn't. And greed will get you. A lot of money in the future. Never was a millionaire. Never was a millionaire. Only if you sell, you're a millionaire. That's true. AMC and GameStop will what? Diamond hands are only legit when you know how to secure profit at the peak and keep playing it. AMC and GameStop will be where you regain that loss faster than Doge for sure. Doge won't be at a dollar anytime soon. Dogecoin could have gone to a dollar. Honestly, now that I think about it, if Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk was extended maybe like 2 weeks out, I know it was on May 8th, May 8th on a Saturday. If it was extended maybe towards like mid-May, I think Dogecoin would have hit a dollar. What a beautiful rip on AMC and GameStop. Literally going to 53, our little price target we have here. There we go. Finally. I don't know what GameStop just did. 219 is that above pre-market? Right around pre-market levels. 219. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. What's the point of not taking profit? I don't know. To not piss people off on Twitter. Literally, somebody in the Discord. Oh my gosh. Somebody in the Discord yesterday put that they saw a tweet where somebody was asking for permission if they can sell some AMC to take profits. Like, what? Imagine if I buy Bitcoin right now and I go on Twitter and ask people, hey, can I sell my Bitcoin? Is this fine? Am I going to get hated for it? What? Doesn't make any sense. So big. Oh, AMC hit 53. If it can hold 52 today, that's a win. Obviously, I think we'll still be if we hold 52 and close it around 52, it'll still be red. But above 50, 52, it's still in the game. Oh, it was Torchlight. Torchlight. I would have taken those profits at the blink of an eye, baby. I would not look back either. That's where you went wrong, Ralph. You should ask for permission. Oh man, imagine that. Man, Bitcoin's coming back down again. Jeez. It might have been Torchlight, yeah. You have my permission. Oh man. I just can't wrap my head around that, man. Like what time are we living in where you have to ask somebody, some random, keep that in mind, it's a random person on Twitter for permission to buy or sell a stock. Poor person. It's like you shouldn't be able to do, you shouldn't be doing that. Do I have do I have permission to use my own money? No, you don't. July's gonna be huge because everything is dumping right now. Everything is in discount territory. True, but then again, it could continue to dip. That's the problem. When you buy the dip and it keeps on dipping, that's the problem I don't want to find myself in. So I think a little bit more patience. And if we do see 25 might be a stretch on Bitcoin, then that's where I'd be considering buying. Protect your mental health at all costs. There we go. That's true. That's why I deleted Reddit or anything. Or I have to, the only reason I have Twitter is to get up on the news. That's it. So I have two accounts, my personal one and the one where I just follow just the business accounts. Other than that, I don't pretty much go on it. I try not to go on it. Trade tweeted technical bottom outright at 51 Fibonacci retracement from last night's video. Great dip opportunity. I don't use the Fibonacci. I'm a simple man, baby. All I use is EMA, SMA, and the volume. Somebody replied to him, haha, the line is useless. Quit getting people's hopes up. And then he replied to that person, lines are in fact not useless. Lines are very helpful if you're trying to get your best dollar cost average or playing options, my friend. People can hold waiting for pop and still get an idea of the day trends to make their best possible financial decision. Do lines matter? Mm. First of all, these EMA, SMA, all these indicators are all lagging indicators. So they're not active like volume. Volume is the only active indicator that can give you the best hint, the overall edge. As for like the EMA, you guys hear me always say EMA, EMA on the 5 and whatnot. I just use it as a guide. But Trey is right on this one. If usually when I try to go for a dip buy, I try to wait to see how far it is under the EMA. That's all it is. It's a little guidance. But it's not really much of an indicator that, oh, if it hits this price, I'll buy. If that makes any sense. Just take all these lines you see lightly. Whatever it may be, RSI, MACD, Like you guys have seen the RSI just get completely oversold and it keeps on oversell it keeps on selling. All lines matter. You're only allowed to short Tesla. I was shorting Apple the other day. Still holding 53. I like it. I like it. Bitcoin's still hanging in there at 29. How long are we going to trade around this range? I don't know. Cryptocurrency crash. It's trending. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Some of these tweets, man. Can I have permission to sell SPY puts? No, you don't. If you sell, you're a shill, you're a hedgy, and you were bought out by Mr. Ken Griffin. Guys, it's your money, it's your life. I promise you. I promise you. These people on Twitter, these YouTubers are not gonna cover your losses. These YouTubers are set. Keep that in mind. These YouTubers could have AMC crash, and they'll be just fine. They'll be fine. They're gonna keep making ad revenue, money, whatever, selling their merchandise. The one that's gonna take the hit is the person who can't afford that loss. That's the problem. Just keep that in mind. Keep that perspective. Always have that what's in it for them type of mindset. I promise you, if like the people who had, I think I said this in the video when AMC was at 70. I said the people who have life-changing money right now, it's not life-changing until you sell, until you take profits. And I just kind of gave them my hint that sometimes it goes against the way. I mean, look at the Dogecoin millionaire. When you have that million, you're not a millionaire until you sell it, until you have to pay taxes on that, and it's yours. Until you have it into your bank account. Until then, it's fairy dust. It doesn't exist. So that's how it is, though. That's the name of the game. I don't have any merch. Why would I sell merchandise? Why would I sell merchandise? Unrealized millionaire. There you go. That's the proper way to put it. Unrealized millionaire. Until you realize those profits. Start selling insurance. To each their own. So holding 53. GameStop is holding pretty strong at 218. I like that. Rob, I'm quite hungry. Do I have permission to go and make myself a bagel? No, if you do, you're a shill. We have a Bruce up in here. Bagel shill. If I were to ever have like a shirt, it'd be like a paper hand shirt or something like that. Just to mock everybody else. Just to go against the current. 219 for GameStop. Can we see 220? There we go! Finally, now we gotta head to 230, man. We're having a good day today, up 18 bucks, 9%. AMC still holding 53. What a beautiful, beautiful recovery. Let's go to 54 now. It's holding 53 pretty strongly. Oh, that Arby's sauce is disgusting. The Arby's sauce and the Jose sauce, the horsey sauce is some of the worst things I've ever put into my mouth. Just making sure that says I like profits or I like selling. I like the recovery so far. I like the bounce. I like it. Your face biting into an onion with the I like the stonk banner on the top. No more onions. You guys want to see GameStop tank? Then I'll eat an onion. That's exactly what happened. I show for Kenny G. Oh, people would hate me for that. Pretty good support here for AMC. Still, we're still holding supports. I know we're not ripping yet to like 54, but pretty good recovery. If we can go green today, that'd be amazing. We're only $2 and 20 cents away. GameStop again, 220. Is it gonna break that? 220, 25, 45, 49, 57, 69 for the memes. Let's go. There's the AMC rip. We're going to 54 now. Even Bitcoin is ripping. Funny, everything's bouncing at the same time. 20 $221.90 for GameStop. Yeah, you could sell a dartboard with my face on them. That would sell like crazy. That's actually smart. We can monetize the hate. A dartboard with my face on it. Triple twos on GameStop. 223? Oh man, the market makers are listening to us today. Give me 230 market makers. Give me 55 on AMC. Give us 30K again on Bitcoin. Let's see. How are all the altcoins doing? All the meme coins. Let's go on coin market cap. Let's take a little look. Free space with the purchase of life insurance. Down 14%. Global market cap for crypto. See what's down the worst. Theta Fields on 30%. Solana is down 28%. Pancake Swap, well, that's not. Polygon, Dogecoin, 23%. I wanted to take a look at this other stock, ONTX. I know you guys hate ONTX because they did the reverse split. Let's take a look. How's that doing today? Oh, triple sixes. I should have not looked at that. It's not good at all. Tesla, how we doing? Boring, man. Nasdaq, boring. Are we waiting for Powell? Look at that V recovery on AMC. If that's not beautiful, I don't know what is. Nice recovery. GameStop new high, 223. Let's go. 224.47. Market makers, you're there, man. Just give me 230. AMC's gonna hit 55. They're listening to us, guys. All they need to do is hit 30K on Bitcoin. 224.88. Come on. 225.88. Let's go. AMC's close to 55. We're now above pre-market. We're about to go green. Lovely. AMC's the day trader's wet dream right now. I agree. Day trading AMC is fun. Better than Tesla. But that won't probably last for too long. Well, I don't know how much longer it's gonna last. As long as we have the attention of the volume, you best believe day traders, swing traders are all over AMC. I mean, look at this bounce from 51 to 55. I haven't checked my crypto today. I just might ignore it. I mean, sorry for having the Bitcoin chart up here. Oh, all right. Are we having a healthy pullback now? Hmm. Pullback at 220, holding support there would be nice. 220s. Nothing less than that. And for AMC, we can hold 53, 54. Those are the next levels I'm watching for support. For Bitcoin, we obviously still have some resistance at 30K. I don't know where the support is. I don't think we found the support level yet, but for resistance, obviously 30K whole number there. Nice, nice. GameStop. Nothing, nothing less than 10K on GameStop. You're a shill. All right, support would be around 10K for GameStop. That's the next support level. I heard Ralph is Ken Griffin's nephew. Yeah, he's my uncle. Ken Griffin's my uncle. 224. Come on. Come on, GameStop. Just give me a new high. The mayo jokes on Kenny. Is that a true story or was it BS? The whole mail story with Ken Griffin and him hoarding the mail. Yeah, crypto's not looking juicy. There's the GameStop pullback. Not quite at 10K like we believed, but it's still there at 222. I'll give it some cushion at 220. I want to believe it was true. So let's just close crypto right now. If we do see 28 sub 28 in the next coming hours, I probably would have already bought. I'll announce when I buy in the Discord since I won't be live. Um, GameStop, pretty nice recovery. Let's take a look at this on the 4 hour. We haven't taken a look. Back above EMA, beautiful. I like that. This puts us back at the same level we were trading at. What, like June, from like June 10 till now? For like 12 days, we were trading at the same level. So now we get another shot of just curling back up. Give me 300, baby. Just curl up. We just need to form this cup and handle, hold support, break past that resistance, and we should be good. As for AMC, we held 50, bounced off of 51. Beautiful recovery as well. Nearly almost going green on the day. On the 5 minute, obviously, looking at yesterday and today, this isn't the pattern we want to see. It is what it is, though. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. We're under EMA on the 4, still above EMA on the daily. Oh, we slightly almost cracked under that, but we were saved. So we're still holding there. Like I said, I'd be happier or less stressed. I guess you can say less worried if we were back at $60 near the highs. So we have some progress to make. I don't know. We'll do that today, tomorrow, the end of the week. But again, take it candle by candle, chart a day by day, and we'll see where we go. Yeah, I'm trying to average in on Bitcoin. I'm not gonna just dump a lot of cash in there and just be like, oh, I should have just waited. No, 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 I'm not gonna do that. Probably some BS, but he has a mental state to do something like that. Who? Wouldn't share his RVs. All right, we'll see what happens. I'll set my alert just in case we start pulling back on this and on GameStop. Those set one at 219. These are the alerts I don't want to get. I don't want to get these alerts. I want to get these new highs. This one, let's set one up here. There we go. So now we have a little range. We're range bound. So I kind of have an idea where we're at in AMC and GameStop. Let's go on Tesla. Nah, I already have too many on Tesla. All right. If you guys found this of any value, make sure you slap a like always. I would greatly appreciate that. And subscribe if you are new. We go live every single day, Monday to Friday at Market Open. No power hour today. 0020801, it will always be day by day thing now. Exactly, too. You have a point on that too. 100%. It's like I'm gonna try not to get my hopes up and not to hype it up like a lot of people have been doing. It's not AMC. Like a lot of people have been doing. Like, it's just I don't want to get people's hopes up, and then the day comes and nothing happens. It's just like, damn it, again. Michael Saylor is now at a net loss with Bitcoin. Ouch. Oh, that's not true. I thought he had 26K average. He's really close. No, you guys cannot get out of your seat. You guys cannot eat till tomorrow. You guys cannot buy or sell any stock without my permission. Someone's gonna clip that and they're gonna share it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at AMC go. Break 55. Leave on a good note. Come on. There we go. We're leaving with AMC nearly going green. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be active in the Discord, the free Discord. I'll chat in there all the time. I'll be there if you guys have any questions, want to chat it up. Community, it's amazing, all free. I'll see you guys on there. Peace out. Have an amazing rest of your morning, night, evening. Take a walk, go get some exercise, hit the sauna, do some yoga, meditate, stretch. Everything's gonna be all right. Buy the dip and just forget about it. Not financial advice.